We are headed out to the family farm to practice starts. Midweek work. Watch out, dude. At the farm, at the ranch, at whatever, what do we call this place? The ranch. The ranch, we're at the ranch. We are going to do starts. T's got a brand new bike, never done a start on it, and we are famous for practicing starts. We've been doing it since he was like 2 years old. T, what's the most important part of the race?
The start.
The start, that's right. What are you gonna do? Pin it? Yeah. Uncle's gonna drop the gate. Uncle Ryan actually dropped TJ's first ever gate. It was on a Strider. We're letting him warm up now. Let him warm up a little bit. And then we will witness his first gate drops on the new bike. All right, here's the first start. Apparently the clutch wasn't turned up enough. These things come at 7. We turned it down to 3. So we're gonna try it now at 6. You good? Well, we got the clutch figured out, I think. Up the settings a little bit on it, so now it's not so numb. New night, new track. Coming out to our buddy Adrian Mayo's place. Built the track this spring, so we're gonna come try this out. T's got a slinky. T, you ready to rip? Hopping out, secret location. There's the famous Adrian Mayo. Adrian, did you go for a ride today?
Yes.
What happened?
A lot.
We had to come tour the spot with Adrian. This is the scene of the crime. Adrian's standing on the lip. Look at, it's a wall, dude. It's a wall. Talon, you thought it was a good idea? You didn't think it was a good idea, but you videoed it.
I knew he wasn't gonna make it.
Pit crew. Don't screw this up. Yo. You got your pants dirty, dude. And the race is on right now. Adrian Mayo versus Travis. There's Travis. There's Adrian. Go get him, Adrian! Well, storm's coming in. That does it for that. Bikes are loaded. It's pouring. I think we blew up a PW50 but we'll fix that. There it is, the Mayo's compound, and we're out of here. Dude, how'd you get a life jacket with your face on it? Bro! So we are on the boat, taking a rest day on the boat. Mom's out here looking extra fine. T's out here eating a Lunchable.
Lunchable.
The diet on point, obviously. Sometimes you just gotta have fun. Ready? Okay, yo, dude. Playing with TJ.
For the rest of my life, say yes, 'cause I'm here to know. You say I'm
Lake day was an absolute success. Got out on the water, had some fun. But we're back on the road again. Where are we headed, man? Dirt bike track. We are going to probably one of the most pristine pit bike tracks I have ever been to. Scott Kelly's hosting his first ever race at his compound. Immaculate pit bike track, groomed to perfection, beautifully landscaped, and just overall one of the coolest places you can go. It's literally the Disneyland for pit bikes, and we're headed there today to do a race. Little dude's gonna run the 50, the Pee Wee class, and possibly the 50cc class on his new KTM. And they put me in the expert class. I'm not an expert. Laying water down on the track. We got the start. We got the boys. You ready? There goes Cole. You ready to rip? You wanna go walk the track? All right, we're getting a report on the track. How's the track looking? Give me a report.
Good.
Yeah? Tell me about it.
Over there, it's sketchy.
It's sketchy? How did practice go? Good, you like it?
Yeah, I don't know.
Just walking around here with Craig.
We made it.
Craig, what happened yesterday, bud?
Did
Did you have an incident?
We raced dirt bikes.
What happened?
Oh, Robin's racing.
Rubbin's racing? All right, so TJ goes out, wins the P-Dub class. Boom, winning money. Yeah, dude. We just finished first pit bike race that they've had at the Kelly compound. How was it? Good.
You beat
Yeah.
me, you know,
Got
just
Adrian
let me
back
quit.
there. Adrian won the A class. Brian did not win the A class.
I didn't win it.
I did not win the A class.
I beat you the second moto though. That's all that matters.
I got beat. I look rough right now. It was awesome. Track was amazing. Kelly's put on a hell of a show.